Hello guys, my name is Raja. Today in this video I'm going to be teaching you about the parallel parking. I got so many inquiries, people want to know about the parallel parking. I just wanted to clear this guys that this method I'm using is my method. So please make sure that you need to ask your instructor the way they teach, because every instructor teach differently. So in my method, normally I use a 1-2-1 method, means one staying to the left, two staying to the right, and one staying to the left. I'm going to explain to you how that works. Now I say to my learners before they start doing this maneuver to lower the left mirror so it's easy for them to see the curb. You don't have to do it, it's just make it easy for them in the test. So I'm just going to lower my left mirror so I can see the curb better. Now I'm going to go to the drive. So I'm using the car park front of me, and I'm going to park side by side and reverse back 2 cars length. So I'm just check my mirrors. I have signal to the right. I'm just doing my blind spots check, and I'm just going to go nice and slowly. I'm going to give myself 1 meter clearance from the parked car, clearance about 1 meter doors width, and go slowly and then make your tires straight. Once you stop your car, you go to the reverse, you do your observations and start reversing slowly. Once you see the side wing mirror is in the middle of the car, at that point I say to my learners, do 1 to the left. That's your 1 to the left. So keep going slowly, keep looking over the shoulder, check. Now the second reference is in my screen, so my learners know about it. So once I feel that my second reference match with the curb, with that screen, at that point I will do 2 steering to the right. As you going, move slowly like this, keep looking over the shoulders. It's important, keep looking over the shoulder. If any car come, you will have to stop, so keep looking over the shoulder. You can glance your mirrors, but your shoulder check is important. So once the last reference is, once you see the curb and the door become parallel, you make your tires straight, means you go 1 to the left. You go back a little bit more, and once it's safe, that means you got enough room to go around it, then you can secure your car. And that's about it really. Always remember, if you do feel you're getting too close to the curb, you always can go forward and come back. And if you feel you're slightly away from the curb, you can always rectify yourself with the steering as you go back a little bit more as well. It's perfectly fine as well. Just make sure you must stop if there's any cars coming, and don't let the car hit the curb. So I hope you like this small video, and if you guys would like me to make any other topic videos, do let me know and I will see what I can do for you. Thanks for your support. Thank you.